Hello, I'm Craig Biddle, Director of Education at Objective Standard Institute. I'm excited to announce the location of our next summer conference along with its new name. What was TOS-Con is now LevelUp Conferences, as in level up in life and your ability to defend liberty. That's what these conferences are all about. LevelUp 2023 will be in Phoenix, Arizona, June 21 through 24. The venue is the Arizona Grand Resort and Spa, which is a gorgeous luxury hotel with a top-tier golf course, a 7-acre water park, hiking and biking trails, restaurants galore, and get this, all of the rooms are suites. That's right, all attendees will stay in a luxury suite. The conference program, including speakers, evening events, and extracurricular activities, will be announced in the coming weeks, so stay tuned. Scholarships are available for young adults aged 18 through 29, and we're accepting applications now. If you're in that age range and you'd like a scholarship, I strongly recommend that you apply right away, as scholarships are limited and young people from all around the world are applying for them. For updates and announcements about the conference, join our mailing list at objectivestandard.org. And be sure to register early during our steeply discounted early bird pricing, when you can save 20 to 50% on registration. That pricing is in effect now. Level up in life and liberty. If these are your goals, this conference is for you. I look forward to seeing you in Phoenix.